welcome to a YouTube video to be exact, where I've been very excited. I've been basically all day very excited for this moment because I get to share it in a YouTube video. So I'm very happy to be presenting this quiz. I've worked quite a long time on it today, so I'm hoping that it's quite good and I hope you enjoy it. So as you can see there are 3 rounds. General knowledge, they're not very long, but general knowledge, picture round, and then the kids. So we're going to start off with the general knowledge. First question. What is the famous song line, dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, from? What is the famous song line, dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, is from? Number 2, well, that's meant to be 2. How many letter A's are in the numbers 1 to 100 if they were written out? Number 2, what is the song line? Oh, start again. Number 3, what date was YouTube created? So what date was YouTube created? So we want the day, the month and the year for this one. It's quite exact, It's quite a tricky one that to get. Basically, you know it or you don't. Just wanted to point out, I will not be sharing the answers on this video. I will be creating a new video to show you the answers, but this is just the questions, so then I can leave you time for people to view it, work it out, and then I'll put on the answers as well. So, number 4. How old is Justin Bieber? So that's, how old is Justin Bieber? Tricky again. Now, yeah, okay. Number 5. What is Lorraine from Lorraine's first name, last name? Sorry. So Lorraine from Lorraine, the show Lorraine. What is her last name? Now I didn't know this, but and by the way, just to say before I carry on, I think there's one more question in this round, but I've created these questions myself. I'm not copying them from a website. I've created them myself. So yeah. Number 6, the final one, I think. In what year was the first TV made in colour made? So, in what year was the first TV made in colour made? I sort of might have been. Don't think like when you if you're thinking like when they sort of started becoming the range. Think like when they were actually created. When was the first TV in colour created and made? Yeah, obviously. But so now the picture round. So who is this? Number 1. Who is? Okay, who is that? Number 2. Try and guess the brand. You know, like section off half of the word. You could probably still get it. Guess the brand. Number 3. Who is this? So who's this man? He's quite famous, to be honest. I mean, you basically, yeah. I'm not going to give you any more clues, but yeah, he's quite famous. Number 4. Where is this? Where is this? Okay, and number 5. Now, which brand is this? So I've put the middle bit of so you've got it. So I've taken some off the word from either side. And it's food brand as a clue, but yeah, I think most people should be able to get that one. That's the end of the picture round, so I'm going to go now onto the kids round. Now, so this is it. There's only 5 questions, but I think it will range from the age of about 3 to 12. if I was getting. Okay, so who is this? So the yellow one in the middle. Who is that? I put a line to it, but it's not very obvious. Who is that? It was very popular. It's very popular song. The second most popular video watched on YouTube. So yeah, it's pretty popular. Number 2. What is the first chapter of Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone called? What is the first chapter of Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone called? Okay, number 3. What? Now this is a nice and easy one, to be honest, because you'll be watching it on the channel. Please don't please don't look when you're looking on the YouTube video. Don't look at the profile. Just no. I want the exact sort of answer. What is the name of my YouTube channel? What is the name of my YouTube channel? Yeah, please don't. Like I said, please don't look. If you've no choice and it's like there, please just try and not look at it. But yeah. Number 4. Who is this? You might recognize this person from TV shows. You might have seen him acting in TV shows. And it's a kids round, so it suggests it's the TV show made for kids. That's quite a big clue. But yeah. And number 5, a nice maths question I always like to throw in here. If A plus B equals C, take away D, A equals 9, B equals 7, and D equals 4, what does C equal? Number 5, if A plus B equals C, take away D, E is 9, B is 7, and D is 6. What is C? That's probably the hardest of the lot of those, but it's still not that hard. If you understand the problem, that's not that hard. Bonus question: did you enjoy the quiz? And like I said earlier in the video, answers will be given in another video. Now, thank you for watching this quiz. I am going to go through all of the questions again, just in case you missed them. So, how many letter A's are in the numbers 1 to 100 written out? What is the famous song line, dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, from? What date was YouTube created? How old is Justin Bieber? Number 5, what is Lorraine from Lorraine, the TV show Lorraine's last name? Number 6, in what year was the first TV made in colour made? Picture round number 1, who is this? Number 2, what company name is this? Number 3, who is this? Quite popular. Number 4, where is this? Number 5, which brand is this? Kids round, the middle one there, the yellow one, who is this? What is the first chapter of Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone called? What is the name of my YouTube channel? Easy one, don't look. Number 4, who is this? Number 5, if A plus B equals C, take away D, A equals 9, B equals 7, and D equals 4, what is C? Thank you.